Hey, what's going on here? Get off! Wash your hands! But we're just states, we can't wash our hands. We don't even have any hands. I don't care. Wash your hands. Better get off. Stop throwing us around. Oop. You get what you deserve for not washing your hands. And okay, let's just start playing games.
Ready, set, go!
Oh. Wait, we have birds now? Hey, that's cool. I like birds. Look at them flying around. Yeah, New Jersey and Delaware touches me. Oh, god damn it, how can I forget that? God damn it! Oh no, now here comes the bird landing on my head. Ah! Get off! Don't worry, Florida. I can get him off. Whee! Ooh. I crunched him. Crunch, crunch. Who's your state? No, that's not me. That's me. I'm Indian Indiana, known as the Indian Uzi. 6 Ember turn. Stop landing on our heads. Damn bird. New York, borders the Atlantic Ocean. Who cares? You are literally in a part of my area. Not again. Hello, bird. I guess he's scared. Oh, not again. Damn birds. Can I squeeze through? Thanks. Come on, boys. Gotta stack ourselves to the top. Can somebody get that bird off of me? I'll try. Whee! Didn't work. Oh, it did. Do you want some Kentucky Fried Chicken? I just had breakfast. I'm not hungry. Oh. Here comes West Virginia. The Mississippi River. That's a good question. I think it's Illinois. Yeah. Wow. So close to the finish line. Swag like Ohio. I'm just destroying this pigeon. Kenosha? Why would anybody name their state Kenosha? Hey, don't stand on my back. I hate that. Pierre, South Dakota. I'll try standing on here. Didn't work. Huh? I am North Dakota and... Excuse me, can I squeeze this up? Thank you. This is the flag of Oklahoma. I am a panhandle. We know that. Oklahoma. Wow, what a huge pile we are. do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Delaware. There we go. Let's look at my terrain. I only have the highest 562.
Ready, set, go!
Okay, Georgia, let's try to connect to the others. Okay. Our mission looks successful. We just need Tennessee and Kentucky. That's not helping. That's not helping either. That is not helping. Now we have to connect thousands more. No. That is not helping. That is not helping. That is not helping. And that is helping. That's actually helping. Now here comes the original sound. Very nice. And it goes higher. Every single time it goes high. Oh, we just need Kentucky. Give us Kentucky. Give us Kentucky. Please, Kentucky. Give us Kentucky, man. We want to connect ourselves. We're separated. Give us Kentucky. Yeah, we connected a huge pile. Look how much we have connected even. Now we have connected more. Oklahoma. Very nice. Connect
Ready,
to.
set,
What's
go!
that? You gotta connect ourselves. Oh! There we go. Yeah. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on, connect. How do we connect Iowa? I have no idea how we connect. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's this. Time's up, apparently. Let's do the tower game. The tower game is simple. 3 states compete against each other. Then make a tower to the finish line. First competitor, me, Arizona. Second competitor, Arkansas. And third competitor... Oh god, this is gonna be unfair. No, Alaska, you don't count. No! Okay, third competitor, Utah. Let's see, let's start with Arizona. Atlantic Ocean, Virginia. Here we have New Mexico. Arkansas. Right now, Arkansas has the highest tower. I don't want New Hampshire. I do not want Rhode Island. Oh. Haha, I stayed on. Oh, god damn it. Missouri border, Nebraska. Oh god, how do I get Nebraska? The tricky thing about this game is how you get sticks put. Oh, the bird, the bird, the bird, the bird. Ha 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 ha! I have won! I have got Texas! I have won!